everyone, my name is Setia. Hello everyone, my name is Aisha. My name is Nicholas. Tonight I'd like to ask you all a question. What is your favorite food?
If you could only have one food all your life, what would it be?
Today I am here to talk about where food comes from.
My favorite food is burger. My favorite food is nasi lemak because it is yummy and delicious.
My favorite food is McDonald's. I like McDonald's.
My favorite food is waffles. I like it because it's nice and sweet. To make the sushi to have more flavor, we could add some toppings like it has different toppings such as chocolate and peppers. It's easy to be cooked at home and easy to buy at shop. I hope you have learned about where cheesy prawn comes from. I hope that through my speech, you have learned about where waffles come from.
Thank you.
Thank you all for your patience.